Nagbabalik ang mga ka-problematics. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay tungkol pa rin sa measures of possessions. Ito po ay ang quartiles and deciles. Alam naman po natin na pag sinabi po nating quartiles, the data is divided into 4 equal parts. Pag sinabi naman po nating deciles, the data is divided into 10 equal parts. Tulad ng ating na pag-usapan sa unang video about the measures of positions, kinakailangan natin i-consider itong tatlong very important terms. Una, the percentile rank. Pangalawa, ang positions. At ang pangatlo, ang total number of data entries. What are quartiles? These are specific values that divides the data set into 4 equal parts. How about decile? Deciles are specific values that divides the data set into 10 equal parts. These are some of the equivalent that we have to consider in solving the measures of positions. We have also to remember that P sub 25 is equals to Q sub 1. This means that the 25% of the given data is also equivalent to the first quartile. 50% of the data is also equivalent to second quartile or decile 5. And 75% of the data is also equivalent to quartile 3. If we have decile 8, that is also equivalent to percentile 80. If we have percentile 70, that is equivalent to decile 7. Short, to solve for us and to find for the deciles and the quartile, we must apply the formula, the percentile formulas. Let's have an example. The scores of 40 students in a 100-item test during a math competitions are shown below. We have the scores are distributed in an array or chronological order. So we have the first score is 76 and the last score is 100. Our questions. We have. Here's the question. If the student below quartile 3 will be eliminated, how many will qualify for the next round? To solve for that, we have to apply this given formula. You have to remember that X is the position, 8 is the number of students, and 4 is our constant number as the multiplier to represent the quartile position. So we have our number of students are 40. Then we have our positions is in quartile 3. And of course, we have to divide this by 4. So we just simply divide or multiply 40 times 3, that is equals to 120. And over 4, 120 divided by 4, this is equals to 30. What does this mean? So we have, this means that quartile 3 is the 38 data entries of the given data. Thus, there are 10 students who will qualify for the next round. So let us go back. Let us try to find out if there are how many students who will qualify for the exam. So the 38 positions, if we just take a look at our scores of 40 students with a 100-item test during math competitions, we have to count the number of entries, and the 38 positions is in this position. So we just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is the number 38 positions of the quartile number 3. And therefore, there are 11 students who will qualify for the next round for the given competitions if quartile 3. Below quartile 3 are eliminated.